welcome back today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It is just below. And if you're ready to come back, hello, welcome back today. So today I thought I'd kind of do a fun kind of jokey video today just because that's kind of the mood I'm in today. So I'm right-handed, but I thought it would be fun to try and do my makeup with my left hand because I was at work and my right hand was just full of stuff and I needed to sign for something, and I was like, oh, I'm not going to swap hands, I'm just going to try and sign it with my left hand, which was a disaster. It looked like a 3-year-old was writing. It was quite funny. I thought, how bad would I be with applying my makeup with my left hand? So let's get into this video and see how bad I am applying my makeup with my left hand. So I normally pump with my left hand and apply with my right. So should I pump with my right and apply with my left? I think that's right. I don't know where I put my beauty blender, which is not great. So we're going to do this a different way and see and hope it kind of works, really. It feels really hard to hold this brush. Oh God. I feel like I've tried to paint. Oh dear. This is not going to plan at all. Oh God. Just got that all over my lip. Oh dear. How are you meant to hold it? Like, I don't feel like I'm holding it very well. Okay. Oh dear. This is not. I just want to swap hands. It doesn't feel right at all. It's really, really weird. Oh God. It's just like, I don't know, I feel like I'm trying to move it and it's just like, nope. And this, like, I'm meant to buff it out with this brush, but that's clearly not happening right now. Okay. Oh dear. I really just want to swap hands right now. This is just not working. Okay, well, that's kind of it done, I'm going to say. Doesn't look so great, but that will do. Okay, so moving on to eyebrows, I'm using two products. They're both from Maybelline. One is the Brow Satin and one is Brow Dramatic. So let's try and apply this. So if you guys know, I only kind of use this end when doing my eyebrows. Oh God, I don't even know how to hold this. It just feels really weird. The good thing about this product, if you mess up, it like, you can just rub it. Oh God, that went way too far. If you mess up, you can just rub it off and it'll be okay. I was gonna swap hands. Oh, this is so difficult. How do I do the other side? Oh God. Guys, if you are left-handed, let me know. Like, have you tried doing it with your right hand? Like, do you find it as hard as I'm finding it right now? My eyebrow looks really big. Like, oh my God. Okay. Oh dear. It's like, when I put it down, it's like, I want it like here, but it goes here. So, it's just really not working. Oh dear. Well, they are very interesting eyebrows. This one is big, bushy, not shaped right. And this one still has a hole in it. Like, what the hell? Okay, now let's move on to Maybelline Brow Dramatic. This is going to be interesting. Oh, I got a lot. Oh, okay. It's just got all over the top. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, that is as good as I'm gonna get that one. Oh dear. That is not even a shape that I ever use. Wow, that is just a big eyebrow. Like, that's not the shape my eyebrows normally look. So I'm going to use this to make an eyeshadow look. I haven't used it before. I will link the video up above and in the description box if you want to check that out. It was kind of a quick, simple smoky eye look, which I'm hoping I can do with my left hand. Like, it's meant to be quick and simple. Oh god, why can't I even open? Oh, there you go. So let's just give it a go, shall we? See, I'm gonna find this so hard. Okay. Oh dear, almost dropped it already. Okay, we're going into the lightest brown. Well, the third, oh, I don't know. Not the darkest, the middle one. Okay. Oh god. Doesn't feel right at all. Right now it does, like with my right hand I just know how to hold it, but with like left I'm like I don't even know how to hold it as a pencil. So I don't, maybe like that, I don't know, it's very hard, that's all I can say. Okay, well that's interesting, isn't it? Okay, how do you, like, I'm just like, I don't know how to do this. This is quite hard. Oh, it's just, I don't know, it's really hard to just move it smoothly. Oh. Well, I don't even know how to blend this with this hand. Like, with my right I can just blend and it will work, whereas with this I'm just like, I feel like I'm trying to paint and I don't know how to. Okay. Wow, they don't look alike at all, but let's just... So now I'm going into the darkest colour. This is going to go in the outer corner. Oh, I was trying to hit it, but I brushed it. Oh dear, let's do this side first. Like, it seems easier when I'm not trying to cross. So, we'll do this side first. It's just, I don't know how, like, how are you meant to do the other side? Never have this issue when I'm using my right. Oh god. This is going to be an interesting look. That's a very interesting kind of look. Hasn't really worked, but there we go. Clearly can't use my left hand. Now I'm going back into this shade and I'm just going to put it on my eyelid. I really would now want to watch someone with a left hand to do their makeup. Is there anyone out there that's left-handed who do makeup? Let me know, comment below if there's someone out there who uses their left hand. Let me know, because Adam's left-handed and I find it so weird when he writes. It like kind of freaks me out a bit because like how he writes, like I don't know how he doesn't see the letters like when he's writing. And like some people write like this when they're left-handed, or they just write like, and then just it's quite interesting. So yeah, let me know if you know someone who's left-handed and they do makeup, because I would love to watch them. Now I'm going into the lightest colour to go in the corner of my eye. This is going to be interesting. Oh dear. So now I'm going to do under my eye. I'm going to use the smallest brush possible that I can find, because I feel like I'm going to stab myself in the eye. Oh god, I was almost going to do it with my right hand. Okay. god, I don't know why it tickles me more. Like, using my left hand, I don't know why. Oh dear. I just can't hold it straight. And everyone's gonna be like, yeah, you're not holding it right. Okay. Well, I think that's kind of how I'm going to leave it. Just looks really dark in this bit here. Let's try and, like, I don't know. Let's just try and fix it. Well, that didn't fix it at all, but hey ho. So it wouldn't be finishing my eyeshadow look without adding liquid eyeliner. So this is going to be interesting. I can't find the smaller version of this. Like, I have a smaller one, which is kind of easier to hold. But yeah, let's just try. Oh, it's like my hand's like just shaking. Well, I didn't want to do a wing, but that seems like it's got a wing. See, I'm not talking, I'm trying to be trying to concentrate, and that's why I'm not talking. Oh god, that was a bad. I just got a massive blob. I was going, oh god, okay. Oh dear, this is not going to be easy. How do you do this? Oh, what about if I do it this way? I can't even do it that way. Great. I already find it quite hard to do liquid eyeliner, and to do it with my left hand is so much harder. Okay, so I definitely did this side better than this side, but it's still not great. It's quite interesting. So moving on to mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline Total Temptation. This mascara just seems to never make my eyelashes look bad, so let's hope it does the same using my left hand. Again, I don't even know how to hold this. Oh god. Oh god. I just stabbed myself in the eye. Okay, well, that just messed up everything, didn't it? Oh my god. I've done that before. Oh jeez. Okay, well, that has clearly messed that up. Let's just go on to the next. Okay. These eyelashes look super long. If I didn't stab myself in the eye with it, it just like super hurts right now. Okay, so now starting with bronzer. I am using Max Factor's bronzer. Let's see how well this works, because this is quite pigmented. This, like, if you do it wrong, you're gonna notice it. So I think we're gonna notice it. I don't even know how to hold the brush, jeez. I just keep looking at my eyeshadow look like, oh my god, what did I do? So now moving on to Max Factor's blush. I will link all of them below in the description, so if you guys want to know what they are. I just like this one because it looks like a planet. Okay. Oh, let's try and use the screen. Put this on. It feels like I'm just not, like, oh, I don't know. It just feels really odd. I don't feel like I'm holding anything correctly. Okay. I think that is done. Not too bad, but I don't think you can kind of mess up on like bronzer and blush that much, so I think that's okay, but my eyeshadow is definitely super bad. Okay, now into highlighter. This is Revolution's Ice Kiss. I think this is my favourite highlighter. It's just really pigmented and it just looks absolutely amazing on. So let's just hope we get this in the right place. La 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 la. I'm gonna say that's in the right place. Yeah, guess so. I don't know right now. Okay, shall we go with a bright lipstick, see if I can do it, because this look is clearly messed up already, so why not mess it up with a really bright lipstick? So I'm going in with this lipstick. I haven't used it in ages. It is super bright, like look how bright this is. So this is going to be a very interesting look, and especially because it's kind of a crayon. So yeah, like, yeah, this is not gonna be interesting. Well, it's gonna be interesting, but bad. I forgot how, like, how liquid, like, it feels like liquid. Uh-oh. It's a very odd feeling. Oh, that was a massive overreach. Oopsie daisy. I can tell why I don't go for this. It's like melted lipstick. It has that texture. Okay, so I've overdone it. It doesn't look so great, but hey ho, that is it. I think that's all the makeup I'm going to attempt to put on with my left hand. But to be fair, it's not too bad. So guys, what do you think of my left-handed makeup look? It's quite interesting. It's very different. It's very something I wouldn't do. Oh my god, it's, yeah, my eyeshadow looks terrible. It looks like it just stops there, like it's just a big lump. But hey ho. Well, thanks for watching that video today, guys. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. It is just below. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this video.